Hey everybody, Steve Quillian. I am at the shop of Wood Window Makeover. See the window behind me. I made a bunch of these puzzles that you see in this picture here. That's a little thing I like to do. And I'm going to show you how to take it apart and put it back together now because I'm going to give a lot away at the workshop. Okay. So I got to set my camera up. Dun-dun-dun. There you go. Okay. So first of all, you have to figure out how it comes apart. That way? No. Huh. I thought I knew how to do this. Huh. No? Oh boy. Ah, there it goes. Once you get it apart, it comes apart really fast. Okay, so I'm gonna put this pieces over here. You getting this camera? Okay. I think you probably are. Okay, so the interesting thing about this particular puzzle is all the pieces are exactly the same. Okay, the cutouts are the same. So start off with the first two pieces parallel like that. Then you install the next two pieces symmetrically. Okay, parallel and symmetrical, just like this. Okay, once you got that, then motorcycle going down the street, like this, and put one in like that. Okay, no. Like this. Okay. This go here. And this goes here. And then it shifts like that. Okay, so it shifts. Then this goes here. One goes on the back side like that. One goes here. Another one goes in there like that. Okay. Then you put it all together. Like that. It falls together. Ta-da! That's how you put one of these puzzles together. All right, we made that. Hope you get one at the Historic Homes Workshop. Talk to you soon. Steve Quillian, over and out. Bye.